Hey everyone, it's Oli. Welcome back to our channel. This is our first morning in Meghalaya. In this video, you are going to see us exploring the places around Shohra or Cherrapunji. Cherrapunji is situated on the lap of the East Khasi Hills, and as you all know, Cherrapunji is known as the wettest place of India. In our last episode, we had traveled from Kolkata to Cherrapunji via Shillong, and we have already hired a scooty last night. You can find all the details in the below description box. We had our breakfast at hotel already and got ready so that we can start as early as possible. So let's begin the tour.
Whether you want to relax with a cup of tea or go on a hike, you would never be disappointed when you are in Meghalaya.
The best time to visit Meghalaya is during autumn and winter season. So now we are going to Naukalikai Falls. It's around 4 kilometers from our hotel. Before reaching there, the lush green surroundings, the sound of wind and the weather itself will refresh you. You will breathe every second, every minute.
Naukalikai Falls is the tallest plunge waterfall in India. Its height is around 340 meters. This mystic waterfall can make any visitor spellbound, and this is just about 4 kilometers away from Sara Market. We found this hidden gem on the way to Naukalikai Falls. You can see some Khasi traditional huts there. A majestic view of lush green fields makes this place nothing less than a fairy tale. This is our India, where you can witness each and every beauty of nature.
Our next destination is Mosmai Cave, and on the way, suddenly clouds started floating on the road and everything became so dreamy. This is Cherrapunji, where the climate can change anytime, any minute.
This is the situation right now. So literally this is abode of the cloud. We are at Meghalaya. Enjoy with us.
So we have reached Mosmai Cave. It is a very beautiful limestone cave. It is one of the most popular historical caves in Meghalaya. The cave has a spacious opening, but it's soon squeezed into a narrow path. There are places in the cave where you have to literally bend yourself and squeeze yourself out. The cave is home to various flora and fauna and makes a good home for bats and insects too. The timings for the cave is 9 am to 5 pm, and the entry fee details I have given in the below description box. Now we are going to Seven Sister Falls. It is called Seven Sisters because it has 7 segments. This majestic waterfall is the 4th highest waterfall in India, plunging down from a height of 315 meters over the top of limestone cliffs of East Khasi Hills. This falls is a rain-fed fall, best time to visit during monsoon season between June and September for the great view, though we visited in October. Now we are on the way to Danthlin Falls, another gem of Meghalaya. These falls will allow you to walk on its bed till it becomes waterfall. Means you can see the origin of a waterfall. You can drive till the edge of the falls, park your scooty there, dip your feet in the water and enjoy the sunset. It is one of my favorite waterfalls in Cherrapunji.
The next and last stop in our first day trip is Wesidong waterfall. It's around 2 km from Danthlin, but try to go as early as possible during daylight because you have to trek down a little here into the forest to reach the actual waterfall so that you can come back before it gets dark. As you can see, this is the way to the fall. You have to climb down through the bamboo ladders made by local people here. It's around 10 to 15 minutes downhill trek. I would recommend not to miss this if you can afford to climb down the ladder.
Now we are returning back to our hotel. As you can see, it's already dark. We'll be back with our next day experience in our next episode. Till then, bye and stay safe.
If you liked our video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get regular updates.